In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Qustodio Parent Control. So let's get started. Now, if you want to use Qustodio Parent Control to manage your child's device usage, the first step is to understand what it does. Qustodio is a parent control software, which means it allows parents to monitor and control how children use their computers, smartphones, or their tablets, including tracking their screen time, blocking websites, and managing app usage. To get started, you first need to install Qustodio on the child's app. So let's take my computer for an example. So I have Qustodio installed here. You can see it right there in my system tray, but I've obviously disabled it for now because it would close my browser otherwise. So yeah, I have it installed. So you want to go ahead and install Qustodio on your child's device and then create a parent account. If you already have a parent account, just want to go ahead and sign in with your parent account on your child's device. And now you can use this app to manage all the settings. So after installing, log into your parent's dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead. So this is the device that I have already added onto my Qustodio account. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the dashboard right here, and now I can see and manage all of the settings for this device, for your child's device. So from here, from the dashboard, you can set screen time limits, which are restrictions on how long a child can use the device per day or at certain times, like during school or bedtime. You can also use web filters to block inappropriate websites. These are categories such as adult content, social media, or games, and you can customize them based on your child's age. Now, another key feature is app management, which allows you to see which apps are installed on the device and block or allow them individually. So look, for now, so this is the device that I've added. This is a timeline, and on the timeline you can see all the activity per day your child has, basically all the apps your child has used on his device. Now for the rules, here's the main part. You can literally set everything here. So web filtering, what kind of stuff is allowed, what kind of stuff is not allowed. So we have educational media allowed, government media allowed, news, sports, business allowed, dangerous stuff like gambling, violence, all that kind of stuff is disabled. And you can also have certain for your games and apps. So what is allowed? If you want certain social medias to be disabled, you can go ahead and do that. If you want certain entertainment to be disabled, you can go ahead and do that. If you want certain games to be disabled, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can just entirely just disable games as well if you want to do that. Education is obviously allowed. Now you can go ahead and look at the other stuff. So you have daily time limits. So how much daily time on their device are they allowed? And you can go ahead and set that a limit. For certain days you can have different amounts. Perhaps for Saturday and Sunday, which are usually holidays, you can have maybe 6 hours. And maybe for days that are weekdays or work days, you can have 2 hours a day. But anyways, that's how you can just go ahead and customize everything to your needs. You have routines, you have location, social monitoring, everything, right? So that's how you can use Qustodio Parent Control for your child, and all of these settings are automatically synced, meaning any change you make on the parental dashboard updates automatically on the child's device immediately. So this is how using Qustodio helps parents guide their children to safer and healthier device usage while keeping control in their hands. And yeah, that's how you use Qustodio Parental Control. So anyways, I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.